Hey, what's up, Bepro holder? So what's going on, my Bepro holder? Sorry for late video, and this video I gonna show you to Bepro going up or Bepro going down. And the last previous 7 days Bepro very badly fails down, my brother. Therefore I alert you to Bepro are going up or down. They are in the loss, they make you millionaire, or they are going in the loss. So absolutely, let's start the price prediction of Bepro, my brother. But before I get started, I request you, please, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe, because this channel provides you very latest update of all cryptocurrencies. My friend, I also told you in this video to Bepro going up in upcoming days or going down. But I first of all I gonna want to show you the changes occur and the latest price. You can see here minus 0.39% they gone fails down, my brother, and the last 1 hour. So this is very bad, but understand what I talk you in this video. You can see here the price has also decreased very badly, fails down, my brother. What we do in this critical situation? Bepro in upcoming days going up or Bepro in upcoming days going down? Absolutely very good question. A lot of holder ask me, but I'm sorry to I busy and other work, therefore I cannot upload more video for you. So friends, my brothers, Bepro in upcoming days, I clearly told you to go up, absolutely. And why I told you to be for going up in upcoming days. I have one idea, and I have one use this track and all crypto market in the last 3 years, absolutely, and I cannot lose any time. Absolutely, and if you follow this trick, then I hope you also going up. They make you millionaire. Friends, understand what I talk you, please understand. Not this is just 1 minute video, and I hope in any life and crypto market you cannot lose any cryptocurrencies. Guys, you can see here this time they gone very badly down. Understand, you can see here in the last previous days, but they take after very bad fails, they take a good jump, my Bepro holder. They take a very good jump. So understand, if they fails down this time very badly, then I hope like this, absolutely, they take very high jump and they move up like a rocket. So I think this is good time to you buy it. If you buy it, then I hope 1 point is coming to they going up like this time. You can see here like this point. So please, if you agree with me today going up, then absolutely like this video. Okay, like this video and subscribe this channel. Friends, absolutely, I am right. If this process again here, then I hope they're going up like a rocket in upcoming days. So what you say, can they go up in upcoming days? Bepro is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, remember, my friend, and they make you millionaire absolutely in upcoming days. Please invest, buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you understand. Please like this video if you agree with me, please, and subscribe our YouTube channel, please, for latest news and updates. Allah Hafiz, take care.